In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build email templates in HubSpot, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your email marketing process, this guide will walk you through the steps seamlessly. Let's dive in. First things first, head to the HubSpot website in your preferred browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to begin the process of accessing your account. For those of you using Google, you can simply click on Sign in with Google and select the Google account associated with your HubSpot account. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain a unified system for managing your logins. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, we'll navigate to the Email Templates section. Start by looking at the left panel on your HubSpot dashboard. Here you'll see various categories. Click on Marketing, which will help us move closer to our email template creation space. Once in the Marketing section, find and click on the Email option. With the Email section open, the next step is to create a new email. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create Email. Here, HubSpot will prompt you to choose a type of email. Since we're focusing on email templates today, select Regular from the list of options provided. Now you're ready to create a new template. Search for the option that says Create New Template and click on it. This is where you'll set the foundation for your communication strategy. Before you proceed, you'll need to name your email template. A good practice is to choose a name that reflects the template's purpose or target audience. This helps you organize and retrieve the template easily in the future. With your name chosen, hit the Create Template button. You've just made the first steps towards crafting your personalized email message. Now onto the creative part. Start editing your email template. This is where you can bring your brand's voice to life. Incorporate your own design elements, images, and text to align with your branding. HubSpot's drag and drop editor is quite user-friendly, making it straightforward even for beginners. Once you're happy with your email design and content, make sure to save all your hard work by clicking Save and Update at the top right corner of the page. This ensures that your template is ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it, a quick guide to building email templates in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're now equipped to create efficient, engaging emails that can enhance your marketing campaigns. Keep practicing and experimenting with different designs to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.